Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So, here's a quick screencast on a nice, abrupt way to make sure that you are exporting things in STL format since apparently they've changed Fusion since the other tutorial was published. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to give you two different options this time. The first option, I'm going to go ahead and click File. And by the way, you should make sure you've saved your file. It should be named already. So, you're going to go File, 3D Print. Okay. And now this window is going to pop up. You want to go ahead and click select, and you want to select whatever body you want to 3D print. It should be in STL. Use the ANSI unit type millimeter. If you want it to come out dimensionally correct, use millimeter. And then output, you want to make sure that this is not checked. Okay. For refinement options, we'll go into those later when we need them. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and say okay, especially since it says hi. All right. So now what it's going to pop up with is it's going to ask you where you want to save this. So we're going to go ahead and save this. This is where you have to create your name for your STL. So I want this to be a blue, and this is the box bottom, and my initials. Save. Okay. And what this is going to do is it's going to create an STL file of just this component right there. Okay. So what I can do now, I should be able to go ahead, click in Cura, and show you what I mean. So just the bottom loads. Okay. Now, what you would have to do then is go back through that process in order to do that again for the top in order to create two separate STLs. You would have to do that for every component. Next, I'm going to go ahead and show you a way that you can just export the whole thing in one shot. We're just going to go ahead, make sure, again, you've saved your file, export. And I'm just going to leave this as hinge demo STL. And again, you're going to have to click in here in order to find the STL file. And where it says location, this is where it's going to tell you that it's going to dump that file when it gets it completed. If you already have a project folder on your desktop or on a flash drive, you'll want to put it there. But if you don't have that, then just let it sit in the downloads folder, because you're immediately going to take it from the downloads folder and you're going to upload it into Google Drive. But I'm just going to show you how that's different. So we're going to go ahead and, yeah, cool. 13 hours. No one cares. Clear my bed. Where is it? Clear platform. There we go. Load. Gosh, taking forever. Good. It's about time. So refresh this. Here we go. So that just created the whole thing as an STL. Now the problem is that although this is two pieces, and you can see that there's a top and a bottom here, I can't maneuver this. I can't change anything. This is one file. I can't bring this closer. I can't spread them farther apart. And I certainly can't really do anything useful for this. So if you have multiple parts, send me multiple files, please, because this way I can't do much with it. The final part of this little video, I'm going to go ahead and, well, probably have to make a new video for that. So hopefully this helps you understand how to do this. If you want to do another way of exporting to 3D printing, close that. What you just need to do is turn the visibility off on a part. And then you can go ahead and do File, Export, and just do, let's see, that would be bottom test 4. If I go ahead and do that, then what's going to end up happening is, come on, am I going to beat the buzzer? Probably not. What will end up happening is it will create a STL file of just that portion. Come on.